7 steps, tighten all bolts and reinstall seat, ready to ride.
Oh, that's what we like to do. What's in the box?
Oh, it should be like shampoo or something. We got a tube.
I got a new tube because homie got a flat right before we were gonna go riding and make a video for you guys. At least we didn't get up there though, so. But
oh, it's in this one.
This box. Put it in the comments. What is it?
Squish this to it, dude.
Oh. Oh. Wow. Nice bolt kit. And some Flatland Racing Guards. These are fancy pants right here, brother. Bye. Did the last fall make you want to get these?
Yeah.
You mean this one?
Yeah. I like the shortness though.
It works. One or two figures on there.
I didn't need to buy a short one.
Alright.
Might as well do it on the other side. Might as well just grind it off.
I think they're like 100 or something, right?
Yeah, they were.
2 more rows. It comes with. I wonder if you even need to use half this stuff. Ooh. We got directions. Let's pull them out. It? Just those 2?
This is it. They're telling us how to do it. 7 steps, tighten all bolts and reinstall seat, ready to ride.
Oh, that's what we like to do. Pro pack. Cut her on open.
Oh, yeah.
And that's where all the air came out.
It's the back tire.
I know, it's the back tire. Real Kansas.
Justin would have been yelling at me.
Yeah.
Fucking pull it.
Yeah. He's Mr. Impatient. I'm gonna leave that in there.
No, because he does that shit all the time, taking pieces off his body.
Oh yeah.
I remember him saying that when you were doing it here.
How's it going?
I figured it'd be like.
I mean, I think
Clip it
it'll
on.
be easy. Start.
But it can't go on the inside.
We're putting this all together loosely, so we're gonna figure out what part goes where.
This has threads in it.
Yeah, it looks like.
So that's what that has to fit in. Alright. Alright, let's get this going. I think I know what we're doing.
Do we? Do we know what we're doing?
No. I think I know, but
Same length as the other ones.
I think this goes.
Send her home. Just tighten that little guy up in there. You want your chair back?
Yeah, I'd like it.
Tighten, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Alright guys, we're back. We got the right side on here. Just to kind of go through, explain it with this plastic. You have your right side plastic. And you just switch it out for these two 10 mil bolts here and here, along with the supplied washer, here and here. You're going to use your factory bolt up top here, and this washer, this plastic washer, is going to go on the back side. Plastic spacer is going to go on the back side there. These bolts here, this little one is for the horn, or this plate when you extend. This is the plate for your horn mount that you're going to use this bolt with. And let's get to putting this side on and taking off the horn. Nice.
There's your levers for your car. I don't really know what angle it has to be at.
You can figure it out once. You can put this plate in here. It's gonna go like this. Your oblong end, where it originally mounts. Slide bolt on this side at the front of the guard.
Like without breaking them.
There you go. In a hand or you got it? So Derek had that electrical line that goes up to the fan here, in between the rad and where this plate needs to go, and it fits right behind the mounting hole right here. So nice little tip if your guys' wires like that as well. It's a pretty friggin' big bracket just for that.
Alright, weight reduction.
Yeah.
I guess just leave this. No, I'm cutting this off. Oh, fix it. One have to fix it.
There you go. Wow, that was so fucking loud.
Perfect. I don't like the fucking seat though, like.
We're just getting the last couple final bolts in here and plastics. They provide all the bolts except for one that was missing with ours, but we just used that new kit that we got with the extra bolts. So you just put that plastic washer in behind and use the supply bolt and washer. That'll do it, eh? Nice and protected. Alright. You know the deal. Gotta throw it on. You gotta slap it. You ain't done till the seat's on, right?
Oh,
I guess that'll do it. You got these nice Flatland Rad Guards on Derek's bike. Wasn't too difficult. hopefully this video will show you guys a few things you gotta look for when you're putting it on. That'll do it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep it dirty.
Back up. Yo, get over here. Get over here.
Oh, yeah. That's how you gotta tighten the wheels.